Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be sharing how to change your PlayStation password if you've forgotten your date of birth, so stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to become a full-time YouTube gamer and you think you have the drive and passion that it takes to get there, then my new book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, is the perfect book for you. This book will teach you everything you need to know, from starting your channel the right way so that you can get more views and subscribers, to turning your channel into a business. Click on the link in the description or the link in the card in the top right hand corner of the video to find out more information right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And a few months ago, I think in September of 2017, I released a video called PS Plus Bypass for PSN or something like that, to show people how to change their password if they've forgotten their date of birth. Now, the thing with this is, I think it's been patched. They have changed the Sony website to the point that you can't use the same method because the way you sign in changes a little bit. There is a way to get past that, but I personally haven't been able to make it work for myself. Some people have commented on that video and said that it works. So if you want to go back to that, go and click up there, basically. But the reason I'm making this video is because I've been giving the same advice to so many people who keep on commenting and asking me to do an update video. And the update, the realness, what you guys need to do is call Sony. Like, straight up, just call Sony. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the numbers that you need to call in order to get your PlayStation account back. Now, all you really want to do is, well, here's the first number for the UK. If you're in the UK, that's 0208 353 82665. There's a number. Pause it if you need the number. I might put it in the description, but I don't know. You can just pause the video. So, and here is the number for the US. That is this number, 1-800 345 7669. And what you want to do is you want to call them, you want to tell them the situation. For example, say, you know, hey, I put in the wrong date of birth for my PlayStation account because I was too young at the time, and you know, now I'm 18 or whatever, and I would like to edit the account, change the password, change the date of birth. Can you help me out? And if you go through the process and you give them your security details and you prove that it's your account, they'll give their account back to you. If it's not your account, then this video isn't for you. Fuck you guys. I don't respect you hackers whatsoever. Please don't hack me though. That last part, bit of a joke. But yeah, this should help you guys out. Is a bit of a clickbaity title. There is no bypass that I currently know of. When I do find one, I will post that, but I've posted this because I know a lot of people want it, a lot of people are asking for it, a lot of people are looking for it, and I want to give you some solution to get your accounts working. And this is just what I've been telling everyone in comments, and I've been getting so many comments that I can't be bothered. I'm not answering, telling another person to call Sony. So I'm making this video so that I can direct everyone here and let you guys know what exactly you have to do to get your account back. Now, I hope this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. I mean, technically it is a bypass. You are bypassing the fact that you don't have your date of birth. So yeah, the title is correct on this. So all the salty bastards who are gonna comment and say, oh no, you told us to call Sony, fuck you, I don't give a shit. If you want to get more views on your videos and get your videos discovered on YouTube, then you should download this free Video SEO Explained ebook, linked in the description below and in the card in the top right hand corner of this video. You can also find it at growonyoutube.com/guide. You can use this Video SEO Explained ebook to get your videos ranked on YouTube, which will bring more views to your channel and help you grow. This is also a free chapter from my new book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. So don't miss out on this free resource at growonyoutube.com/guide. Let's get to work and be better.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you,